Question 1. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Come, let's first discuss the similarities. Both are made up of glass and consist of long narrow glass tube. At one end, both of them have a bulb. Bulbs of both the thermometers consist of mercury. Celsius scale is present in both the thermometer. Now let's discuss the differences between them. Clinical thermometer. First, temperature range is 35 to 42 degrees centigrade. It is used to measure human body temperature. Laboratory thermometer. The temperature range is -10 to 110 degrees centigrade and it is used to measure temperature in the laboratory. Clinical thermometer has ink which prevents immediate backflow of mercury, and the laboratory thermometer does not have ink. Question 2. Give two examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Answer. Example of conductors are iron and copper, and the insulators example plastic and wood. Next question, fill in the blanks. First, the hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Second, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a clinical thermometer. Next, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next question, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of answer radiation. Next, a cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. Next, clothes of blank colors absorb more heat better than clothes of light colors. Answer is dark color. Next question, match the following with column 1 to column 2. First, the land breeze blows during, answer is night. Second question, the sea breeze blows during, answer daytime. Third, dark colored clothes are preferred during, answer winter. Last, light colored clothes are preferred during, answer summer. Next question, discuss why wearing more layer of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer, more layer of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between layer. As air is a bad conductor of heat, it does not allow the escape of the heat from the body. Look at figure 4.13 mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. Here in this diagram you can see convection, radiation and conduction. Next question, in places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. You have explained. Answer, in places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer wall of houses be painted white because white color reflects back most of the heat that is incident on it, as white is a poor absorber of heat. This helps in keeping the house cool. Next question, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees centigrade is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the mixture will be first 80 degree, second more than 50 degree but less than 80, C 20 degree, between 30 degree and 50 degrees centigrade. Answer, the temperature of the mixture will be between 30 degrees centigrade and 50 degrees centigrade because hot water loses the heat and simultaneously cold water gain heat. This keeps the temperature in between 30 degrees centigrade and 50 degrees centigrade. Next question, an iron ball at 40 degrees centigrade is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees centigrade. The heat will first flow from iron ball to water. Second, not flow from iron bowl to water or from water to iron bowl. Third, flow from water to iron bowl. Third, increase the temperature of both. Answer is B. Not flow from iron bowl to water or flow from water to iron bowl, because both of them have the same temperature of 40 degrees centigrade. Next question. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end becomes cold by the process of conduction. Next, become cold by the process of convection. Becomes cold by the process of radiation. D. Does not become cold. Answer is D. Does not become cold because wood is a bad conductor of heat. Next question. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that A. Copper bottom makes the pan more durable. B. Such pans appear colorful. C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel. D. Copper is easier to clean than stainless steel. Answer is C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel.